I just realized I forgot to take video samples on the Realme 10, but good timing, package arrived, and that'll be a good way for us to showcase the 50 megapixel rear camera sensor on the Realme 10. It's the main sensor. It defaulted to 1080p 30 fps. That's the mode that we're shooting in right now. I didn't change anything. This is with the auto mode, and I just turn on the levels in the grid for me to be able to, frame the scenery better. So let's put this aside, and we're gonna go and open this package. This is from Barehanded Gloves. I work out a lot, and for some reason I started to see ads so for this product. So I got tempted. They had a sale. I bought two for I think about $59, and with that you get free shipping. So this came from the U.S. I believe, but it uses delivery, and this is marked as next day delivery. So it's pretty fast considering I ordered this less than a week ago. So let's go ahead and try to open a package and see what's up. Let me try to open it first using my bare hands. See if we can move closer so we can showcase the uh, close focusing capabilities on this phone. Alright, open quickly without any difficulty. And I ordered two. I ordered gray and blue. They got the right color. Okay, is it focusing? How near can we get before it goes out of focus? I think this is the limit. There. This is the blue colored bare hand gloves. I ordered small. I hope I got the fit for sizing right. They use a credit card method to measure the size of the gloves, and I just follow that. So let's start with the gray version first. Okay, so I guess I'm supposed to remove this. There's a nice little what do you call this? Chain. So let's move it. There are instructions on the back: protect, feel, form. Okay, and the thing that I wanted, or the reason I wanted barehanded gloves, is because it simply protects this area. Okay, this area in your palm that you use a lot when you lift. And I want to be as natural as possible. So I have many different types of gym gloves. Sorry, I have the full-handed gloves. I have a wraparound glove, but all my gloves are dying because I've been using them for so long, and some of them are already what do you call this, worn out. So yeah, so this is the fitting of the small. I think size is more or less accurate based on the credit card technique that they're using online. I like the material, I like the grip. So hopefully this will be enough to protect my hands from calluses, especially this area right here. This is where all the pressure usually goes. I'm not too worried about this, or this area right here. This is really the most sensitive area when you're lifting. So I can't wait to try it out in the gym. Okay, let's put on the other glove. So there, very good fit. It's just right. Let's see if there's a way to remove this quickly. Okay, some gloves they have like hooks on the palm, in between the fingers, that would allow you to pull the gloves more quickly. I have those on my Reebok gloves, but I don't think they have it on the Barehands gloves. Shouldn't be too difficult to remove them, I think. Let's take one more look before we take them off. Uh-huh. Nice fabric material. I hope it'll last. I mean, if I can survive for 1 year would be good enough for me. I hope it'll last for at least 2 years though. I go to gym around 3 to 4 times a week. So let's see if how easy it is or how difficult it is to take off. I'm just pulling it by the, by, yeah, using the insides. And it came off pretty quickly without not much trouble moving it. Just pulling it from inside. Yep. Those are your bare-handed gloves. Raw branding. Okay. These are blue ones. Bring them closer to the camera. I'm just using some indoor lights plus artificial lights. Let's take it off. Okay. I like how they package everything to like this very small and compact, um, what do you call this, form factor. Okay, a couple of features that they are highlighting in the package. Let's bring it up close. So you have the unibody design, see-through material, and anti-odor strips. Keychain tab as well, which allows you to easily carry, okay, your gloves. Okay, I'm gonna try to fit. We're putting it on. Yeah. So far, so good. Okay, doesn't feel too tight at all. Although it looks like it really is like on a very skin tight fitting, but doesn't feel too tight at all. And you're not gonna be. I don't think I'm gonna be noticing how tight it is once you're using it in the gym, because you're gonna be focusing on your lifting. There goes the left one. Good fit as well. So far, so good. I really hope this lasts. And I hope the material, because this material seems to be a rubberized leather-ish material. It has this very nice natural leather feel to it. I hope it lasts, and I hope it doesn't wear off if you store it for some time. The thing about faux leather materials is that they tend to peel off on its own once you store it and once you stop using it. Okay, so that's it so far. Pretty impressed with the bare-handed gloves. Can't wait to try them out. in the gym. See if they can protect my hands as advertised. So guys, we're gonna end this video here. If you have any questions about the Realme 10, still working on the full review, just drop them in the comment section and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.